Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV, here's the most amazing news for our viewers. The Anthropic Principle stating that the universe we live in is fine-tuned to host life was first proposed by Brandon Carter in 1973. Since then, it has sparked significant debate. Now, a paper published on the Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics, authored by Nemanja Kalothur, a physicist from the Department of Physics and Astronomy at the University of California, Davis, and Alexander Westphal, a professor at the Deutsches Elektronen Synchrotron, described for the first time a way to experimentally test these assumptions. The anthropic principle, that's called in the small AP, can be formulated in different ways. This range from a simple description of the facts. If we are here observing it, the universe evolved with the conditions necessary for the emergence of intelligent life, known as the weak AP, to something a bit more radical. The universe had to evolve in a way that led to our existence. This stronger interpretation, called the strong AP, often ventures into metaphysical territory, suggesting a kind of design and moving beyond the realm of scientific inquiry into the universe. The problem with the AP, according to many scientists, is that it is not particularly useful as a scientific tool because it does not generate testable, quantifiable, and also the prediction that could both expand our knowledge and subject the principle to scrutiny. Without this, it remains more of a philosophical conjecture than a scientific hypothesis. The AP does, however, suggest that for our universe to develop as a hospitable place for carbon-based life, it must have started with a set of rather specific initial conditions. We infer this by observing, for example, the values of certain constants used in the equations that describe the universe, such as the gravitational constant, the electron change, and Planck's constant, which must be just right. Otherwise, we would have a very different and, most importantly, inhospitable universe. By establishing the precise initial conditions implied by the AP and calculating based on current physical models how the universe would have evolved to its present state, we could compare the outcome to actual astronomical observation. Any discrepancies between theory and reality would provide a measure of the validity of the AP. The new work by Nemanja Kalothur and Alexander Westphal offers some specific predictions that could find observational confirmation in the coming years. To understand their proposal, some key elements in cosmological research must be outlined. BN's exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.